Imagine turning LinkedIn into an automated lead generation machine and sending hundreds of personalized outreach messages without lifting a finger. Welcome to today's video. We all know LinkedIn is the go-to platform for B2B prospecting. But if you're on a free plan, sending bulk messages to non-connections is a huge roadblock. Unlike other social platforms, LinkedIn has built-in limitations that prevent bulk messaging to non-connections, forcing you to go through the tedious process of connecting first and then sending your pitch. If you want to automate this process across multiple LinkedIn accounts, it can lead to a major headache, getting your LinkedIn accounts flagged or even banned. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to combine an extension into your Hidemyacc profile to solve both problems. First, let's learn how to set up Hidemyacc profiles to log in multiple LinkedIn accounts. Each Hidemyacc profile has its own unique set of parameters. You can customize them according to your needs, or the system will randomize parameters for each profile. Add proxies to change the IP address for each account, preventing account locks due to duplicate IPs. Next, search for the PhantomBuster extension in Hidemyacc's data store and add it to the profile. If you can't find it, you can add it manually by pasting the Chrome Web Store link here. This extension will help you automate the process of sending bulk messages to multiple LinkedIn accounts. Managing multiple LinkedIn accounts on Hidemyacc profiles will help you keep these accounts separate and avoid being detected by LinkedIn. Next, run the Hidemyacc profile. Open the PhantomBuster extension and register a new account. Each account will have a 14-day free trial. You can try it out, and if it suits your needs, upgrade to a higher plan. Because free accounts have a limited number of slots to run scripts. To send bulk messages on LinkedIn, you can refer to the LinkedIn outreach script with the following workflow. 1. Choose appropriate input. 2. Send connection requests. 3. Send follow-up messages. Now, let's learn how to run this script step by step. First, select the input profiles you want to connect with. You can choose a list from a LinkedIn Leads page, a link to a LinkedIn profile, or a spreadsheet, CSV or Google Sheet, with multiple LinkedIn profile URLs. With LinkedIn Leads page, you can create new leads from pre-built scripts. For example, extract information from LinkedIn search results links based on your desired keywords. Then, click Launch to run the script. And you can use these results to add as input. If you want to use existing data from a CSV file or Google Sheet, remember to grant access to the link. After selecting the input, you need to connect your LinkedIn account. When installing the extension, the system will automatically detect the LinkedIn account logged into that profile. Alternatively, you can manually add your LinkedIn account as follows. Insert LinkedIn session cookies. Access your LinkedIn account, right-click, and select Inspect. Open Application, then in the Storage section, select Cookies. Find the section with _at content and copy the cookie value, then paste it into this field. Next, add the browser user agent. For this, you just need to Google search and copy the result. Then, click Connect. The next step is to customize your connection request message. Free accounts are limited to 200 characters, so keep your message concise here. You can go to ChatGPT, send a prompt to ask ChatGPT to write it for you. After that, set up follow-up messages after your connection requests are accepted. You can set the time to send messages. Customize the message content. You can attach files or images if needed. You can set up a maximum of 3 follow-up messages. This part depends on each person's needs. Finally, choose how many invitations to send per day. LinkedIn lets you send up to 100 invites a week. You should choose around 10 to 20 invitations per day to stay within the limit. And select the time to send invitations and messages. To run this script, click this icon to enable it. This is the script's interface when running. You can follow the results and reports here. The results will be updated in real time, and the script will continue running even if you close the profile. PhantomBuster will report information such as the number of profiles collected, the number of invitations sent, the number of invitations accepted, and the number of follow-up messages sent. Additionally, Hidemyacc has a built-in automation feature within the app. You can use this feature with preset commands to create scripts that run on LinkedIn according to your needs. This concludes Hidemyacc's guide on how to set up your Hidemyacc profile to send bulk messages to LinkedIn accounts using the PhantomBuster extension. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions, please contact our Hidemyacc support team via our live chat. See you in the next videos.